Welcome everyone to our today's today's webinar of SuperMap GIS Contest 2022. And in our today's webinar, we will demonstrate how you can enroll in GIS Contest 2022 and some previous works which are awarded. And also we will suggest you with some glamorous works done by some participants from all over the world. So let's start with me. I'm Ubaid Rahman, Technical Support Engineer from SuperMap Bangladesh. And today I will be demonstrating the SuperMap GIS Contest Webinar 2022. So this is our 20th GIS contest from SuperMap, and we are expecting your innovative works in this contest. So welcome to SuperMap GIS Contest. So there have total 4 categories. One is mapping category, another one is development category, another one is application analysis, and the last one is the paper. So let's move on. These are the general information, and here you can see the important dates of SuperMap GIS contest, as the registration started from March 14, 2022, and it will continue till September 30, 2022. And the prizes, the first, second, and third prizes, and are also their bonus, are set for each category. All winners will be awarded contest certificate, and there will be opportunity for intern or job in SuperMap. And the judging criteria, here you can see that all the prizes will be determined by the invited experts, and scholars in the industry, who will be responsible for reviewing the competition on the principle of openness, fairness, and justice. And I suggest all of you to go to each category for more judging details. So let's move on to requirements. What do you need for participating in this GIS contest? First of all, the team member. There may have 1 to 4 students and up to 2 instructors in a team. And of course, all works must be done with SuperMap products like SuperMap iDesktop, iServer, iClient, iPortal, iMobile, and so on. And you are suggested to go to each category for more requirements. Okay, so let's start with some topics which you can cover in SuperMap GIS contest. First of all, here you can see the digital line graphic map. This map showing the digital line graphic in the East Austin, where you can see the land use pattern, the topographic pattern of this area, and also the different color shades and their numerical representation in this map. This is actually a block map or index map, which from United States of America, and from Austin State's digital line graphics showing this map. Next one is sea surface temperature map. Here you can see the average sea surface temperature in this map. This map created to visualize the surface temperature or sea surface temperature of all over the world, and it's done using the SuperMap iDesktop or iServer. Okay, thank you. So the next one is flash flood distribution map. This map is demonstrating or illustrates the flash flood distribution over the United States of America. And here you can see there also have some graph included in this map, like line graph and bar graph here. And also there also have some index map and the gradient color legend having one scale and also the north arrow. So these are the main components of map actually, and you can visualize many more things within your scale. Now comes here the COVID-19 distribution map. So the COVID-19 pandemic here in Serbia, showing that Serbia COVID-19 distribution map. This is a numerical representation actually, like where the highest number, there will be the darkest blue color, and the lowest number, there will be like white like color, or light blue color, etc. So this map showing the distribution of number of COVID patient actually. And another one is Ghana COVID-19 distribution map. It's based on showing the number of COVID patient on different administrative level. So here are some topic list. Like you can cover any of the topic in your mapping or spatial analysis or development or paper categories. So if we look at these topics like weather map and temperature map, population distribution map, economic distribution map, like distribution map of COVID-19 situation or any other pandemic, distribution of facilities and infrastructure, traffic network map, land use classification map, agricultural distribution map, special food distribution map, and so on. So there are a lot of things you can do with SuperMap, and you can present your works in our GIS contest. So this workflow is showing for mapping category. Like first of all, you need to download the software. You need to go to the supermap.com, and you will find the download page to download all of the products of SuperMap. After that, you need to prepare your dataset, whatever you have in your hand. I will show you some free sources of datasets you can download from there. And also after that, you need to process your dataset using SuperMap products. You can create some thematic maps. Also, you can visualize your datasets in your own way using SuperMap products. And then you should create a output of your works to submit to GIS contest. So let's see some awarded works over the years. This map from our last GIS contest 2021, it won from Bangladesh. It won second prize of special analysis category, and it's showing the precipitation distribution of Bangladesh in July 2020. So it's showing the variation of precipitation distribution over whole country of Bangladesh, and it's showing the month for July, like July 1st, July 15th, and July 29. The next one, it owned it got first prize of mapping category actually. This is so impressive, and it's showing like different maps. One is for like COVID-19 pandemic in Bangladesh. Here are different maps showing the COVID-19 distribution, COVID-19 risk zone, hotspot, and so on. And another one is cyclone prone region and cyclone shelter in Bangladesh. So this map also demonstrates the cyclone prone upazilas in coastal Bangladesh, and also the cyclone shelters in these upazilas, where people can get their shelter in this shelter center while there any cyclone prevail. So these two are another two maps from Bangladeshi students, from university students, which got prizes in last GIS contest. First one, in the left side, we can see that hydrographical analysis of Cox's Bazar and St. Martin Island. So this is actually the southernmost area of Bangladesh, and there have several hilly region, and also this map showing the hydrographical analysis where the river networks are and their distribution, their streamlines, and so on. And the rightmost map rightmost map showing that the poverty and educational deprivation of children in Dhaka city actually. So many of you may know that Dhaka city is one of the biggest have one of the biggest population in the world, and also densely populated areas having very high poverty rate, and that's why the poverty and educational deprivation of children in Dhaka city are so common. And this map is showing their distribution in several thana level actually. Here we can see the child labor in South Asia, a gender distribution actually, where there have total 8 countries, really 7 countries showing the distribution of male percentage and female percentage of child labor. And the right one showing the Bangladesh quarantined person for COVID-19 in March 22. This true map, actually the right one showing one graph inside this map. And this diagram can be easily created using SuperMap. And this map showing the changes of wetland in Dhaka city actually. So this one also from one of the students of University of Dhaka of Bangladesh. Here showing the distribution of wetland, the reduction rate of wetland, like decreasing trend of wetland from 1991 to 2021. Here you can see the 1991 there were a lot of wetland in eastern part and western part of Dhaka city, but in 2021 they are disappeared uh, like petrol washed away. So these are the visualization from Bangladesh, and some others were awarded works I will go through. Here one you can see that urban facilities influence area. These are the which areas are highly facilitated and which areas are not. So this one created using the buffer tool, and this is mainly from Indonesia. This map showing the infrastructure distribution map. This one created like Carbon City Accessibility Map 2028, and here you can see the different types of districts having the different types of infrastructure distribution. And also this map showing the distribution map of influence area of urban facilities, like where there are safe or low or immediate or sea level area. So these are the distribution of influence area of urban facilities actually. This map showing the land classification of Yogyakarta province, and there are number of class here. You can see like building, jungle, mud field, Moscow, planted area, rain field, rice field, CMC, sand dunes, and so on. So there are number of class in this map. It's actually been done with the help of SuperMap and also using the dataset from satellite imageries. Here is another land classification map, is from Indonesia. Like you can see the different types of land in this map, and also the legends showing the different types of boundaries or roads actually, like bridge, walkway, footpath, other road, local road, collector road, highway. So all of this visualized in a single map, and here used one north arrow and also one scale bar. This map showing the digital elevation model of Turkey. It's actually the Turkey hydrological map, and the streamlines are showing here in this map. Also the with the national Turkey national boundary. This one is food insecurity map of Afghanistan in 2019, where there are different provinces and the insecurity rate from low, medium, and high. And the data source is from the Humanitarian Data Exchange, which is HDX. You can find all of the data sets of your region freely from this website. Here, another map is earthquake distribution map, where you can see the earthquake activities in Turkey and surrounding areas from 2003 to 2019, and different maps showing their distribution in different regions. So let's move on some tips and tricks you can use in your work while submitting your works to SuperMap GIS contest. Tip number 1. So first of all, combine charts with the maps. So whenever you are working with the map, and here one tips is like here in this map you can see the business district distribution statistics and also diagram in IDEX shop. So whenever you are generating a map, make sure there have some graph or charts or diagram like pie chart, bar chart, donut line, bubble area, and so on. You can use anything, any of this chart or diagram in your map using SuperMap. So this will be your great chance to focus your map. Okay. Tip number 2. Use multiple maps to represent changes of value. For example, here you can see that there have top 5 countries for NGDP growth. That means national GDP growth in this map. Here 5 countries are like Hungary, Ukraine, Russia, Turkey, Andorra. So here you can see that there are 3 different maps like national GDP in 2010, in 2015, and also 2019. And also there have one graph here which showing the trend of increased countries of top 5. So this is tip number 2. And these works are from our site like Bangladesh. Like here we prepared some maps for publishing or showing some works done can be done in SuperMap Bangladesh. Like first one is COVID-19 confirmed cases in Bangladesh. Second one is stream order map of Bandarban Hill district, which is in Bangladesh southeastern part actually, and the flood prone areas in Bangladesh. Vegetation in changes in vegetation cover in Tangwar Haur over the decades in this map. So how can you be a participant of this GIS contest? First of all, you just need to register. You just need to complete your registration. You can scan this QR code to complete your registration, or you can directly go to our what's called GIS contest website. So GIS contest, and you can directly register from here. Okay, here you can get the registration button. Here, wanna show you some? Just register here. This is the GIS contest website. And these are the free data resources actually, from where you can download a lot of data set freely. Like first one is DFGIS. Here you will get all of the administrative data sets from here. OpenStateMap. This is open data for all of the world, and the countries are you can download every single data set like line, point, or polygon data set from here. Natural art data. Here you can get a number of natural art data set, freegisdata.com. Humanitarian dataset exchange. This is from HDX, and you can get all of the dataset for all of the world. And many different organizations upload their dataset in this website. You can download from them. Open topography. If you need to download digital elevation model like SRTM or ESTER, you can download these datasets from here. Kaggle. This one is actually the biggest source, one of the biggest source of free data resources. GeoFabric, you can download the OpenStreetMap dataset from GeoFabric. Glovis, and this one is for satellite data download. You can download like Landsat, MODIS, Sentinel, and so other satellite imageries from this Glovis website. Okay. So how can you submit your work? The deadline is September 30, 2022, and you can compress all of your works into a zip file, like your input file, your data set, your map, your screenshots of works, and there may be one video of your works, and you can zip all of the file into a single zip file and name it with your name and category, and submit the file via email below. So here we have three region. One is Asian and Oceania country. Here working Miss Jin. You can email your works there. And the European and African countries, there works Mr. Jeffrey Jiang. You can email him. And also for the American countries, there works Mr. Eric. You can email them your works. You will find all of the things in the what called GIS contest website, giscontest.com/en. And here you can see that the requirements for submission, like data folder, your map folder, and video folder. And there maybe like put your document in a folder, and the file name may be your name and the category. Okay. And how to submit? You can submit this may change. Wait, change September. Okay. So yes, September 30, 2022 is the last date of submission. Our email, you can use this email, supermapbangladesh@gmail.com, to submit your work. You can upload all of your dataset into a Google Drive folder, and you can share the link to our website email address, supermapbangladesh@gmail.com, or you can directly go to the email and send it to us. So we are working, we are looking forward to your work, and hope we will get a lot of work from you. And if you need any support or any help, you can email me or email us to supermapbangladesh@gmail.com. Thank you, everyone.